Hey Brother Jack, this is a demo of my fully functional 4-function calculator. I'm using the keypad, and I'm gonna show all 4 basic operations. So mapping addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to A through D buttons here on the keypad, and I have E to get the result, so equal, and F to clear the display so I can start over. Starting with the addition, I'm gonna do 1 plus 1 equal 2 and clear. Subtraction, I can do 3 minus 2 equals 1 and clear. And then multiplication, let's do 4 times 4 equal 16, clear. And let's do, for the division, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. And you can see all 4 operations are working correctly, and it's fully functional, fully implemented. Thank you.